Hi, I'm Norma the executive chef here at Brooks Winery, and today we're going to be going over the perfect pairing for the month for December. Our perfect pairing is paired with our 2016 Sparkling Riesling. It is Highland Vineyard and 100% Riesling, and it has been aged 44 months on tirage. Let's get this open. So now we're going to start shucking the oysters. The oysters I have today are Tide Points from Willapa Bay up in Washington. So when you're shucking the oyster, you're just going to want to put the knife down on this area and make sure, because the shell can be quite sharp around this area, that you are protecting yourself by just putting a towel down. And then just insert it at an angle and go ahead and just give it a little bit of a twist. You just heard it pop. And once that's in there, you're just going to want to take your knife flat so you don't puncture the oyster. And you're just going to wiggle, and it will completely remove it like so. And then from there, the oyster is attached. There's a larger muscle right here. And we're just gonna slide the knife right there, and we're gonna just flip the oyster over like that. And that's how you shuck an oyster. Shuck, yeah. Time to taste. It's so good. I'm gonna start with the shallot. We're just gonna do a very small dice on it. Just gonna add it into our bowl here. And then we're gonna add a little bit of seasoned rice wine vinegar, and we're gonna add some unseasoned rice vinegar, just a little bit of salt, and some dried pink peppercorns. Ready to eat one of these. I'm just going to take a little bit of this. Now for my favorite part. Taste test. Cheers. Absolutely perfect together. We hope that you can make it in to see us. We also have some to-go food items for our holiday market that we will be running for the entire month of December as well. You can come on in and get these oysters with an oyster shucker and some of the mignonette. We also are going to be having a tomahawk steak with a spice rub as well. We have some berry sauce jarred up, as well as our hazelnuts, almonds, olives, and our Brussels sprout vinaigrette. Cheers and happy holidays from all of us here at Brooks. Are you ready? That's a whip. And it is aged 44 months in triage. Is that right? Entourage. Why am I saying triage? Entourage. Okay. It's aged 44 months on triage. Did I say it again? What the Tirage. Tirage.
Yeah.
It's aged 44 months on tirage. Okay.
Let's actually just start.
Let's just start over.